Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. So today I have the PENA Barlow front flipper. Now I'm just picking up from the last video that I posted, so that's why it's all disassembled. And if you guys didn't see that video, I'll post a link up here in the corner. That way you guys can check it out, and I dive a little bit deeper into what the Barlow is all about. So again, this comes with the dark brown micarta scales, and what I'll be changing them into is the dark matter copper by Fat Carbon. And as you guys can see, this is just a really cool material, and I can't wait to create the scales for it to see what it looks like. Also, just wanted to give a shout out to Ross. Thank you for sending these to me and for the opportunity to customize them and also experience a PENA for the first time. These are just really excellent knives, and the quality is really high up there. And I'm definitely eyeing the Rhino by PENA, so definitely going to be picking that knife up here pretty soon if I can get my hands on it. But let's get into it and customize it. Alright everybody, so here it is all customized. Now again, these scales are small and they look like they wouldn't take that much work, but again, I wasn't trying to damage the finish on the titanium bolster and the liners. So it was pretty time consuming in that department, since I had to be really careful with the whole blade itself. But here they are, and this is how they turned out, and I think they came out really good. As you guys can tell, it just shifts in such a cool way that it's always going to be different in different lighting. And again, I'm just really happy with how these turned out. And fat carbon just makes really, really great material. I do have some more material for future knives, so definitely keep your eyes peeled for those videos. And yeah, there are the copper dark matter scales. I'll show you guys the other one really quick, just because it's so awesome to look at. Again, just shifts, does its thing. And unfortunately the camera doesn't really pick up what you see in person, so take my word for it, it looks really good. That's pretty much it. So enough talking about it, let's put it together and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is all put together, and I think it looks really, really good. Now it's pretty similar to the original scales in color, but it does make it a unique Barlow from PENA, since I don't believe they come in the dark matter scales. They might come in the forged carbon fiber like I did on the Trapper, but I could be wrong. But yeah, there it is. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below of how this thing turned out, because I'm really happy with the outcome. And again, just really, really dances in the light. Just awesome material by Fat Carbon. I love their materials. I can't say anything bad about them. And again, these blades just are so smooth and they function very, very well. But there it is when it is all opened up. And yeah, just again, really happy with it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much for the support. And again, feel free to check out my merch. I just got that up, so if you guys want to get any stickers or shirts or hats, just check it out. And if you guys get anything, it'll really help the channel grow, and I can take those funds and return the favor back to you guys, because you guys are awesome and you guys are the ones who make this happen. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share these videos, and as always, I will see you on the next one.